T Z KT3 Commercial Semi-Automatic Espresso Machine Operating Guide. 1. Exterior Overview. Power Switch. Steam Lever. Steam Wand. To control screens on both sides. Hot Water Button. Hot Water Outlet. Combined Pressure and Water Pressure Gauge. To power on. Press the main switch, the screen will light up to indicate that the machine is powered on. Wait for the heating process to complete before use.
3. Main Interface Overview. This displays the steam boiler temperature. Date display. Extraction time display. Group head temperature display. 2 setting buttons. In the center is the manual button. The control screen on the right is identical to the one on the left. 4. Main menu overview. 4.1 Group head temperature setting. Tap the main screen. Tap temperature setting. Tap group head temperature setting. Adjust with left to decrease and right to increase. Set between 80 to 98 degrees Celsius. 4.2 Coffee boiler temperature setting. Tap coffee boiler. Adjust with left to decrease and right to increase. Set between 80 to 98 degrees Celsius. 4.3 Steam boiler temperature setting. Tap steam boiler. Temperature range 115 degrees Celsius to 128 degrees Celsius. 5. Cup volume setting. Tap cup volume setting. The buttons correspond to full cup and double cup settings. Tap cup volume setting. Set the volume using the left to decrease and right to increase. Tap the double cup button. Adjust in the same way. Tap dose transfer. Copy left group head settings to the right. Simply click square root. Tap dose resettings. Check square root to reset to factory settings. Uncheck times to keep the original values. Tap pre-brew. Pre-infusion time 0 to 5 seconds adjustable. Pause time 0 to 5 seconds adjustable. 6. Statistics. Tap pour count. You can view the usage count of each function since the machine was first used. To view overall machine statistics, return to the main menu and tap Maintain under Parameter Settings. 7. Energy Saving Settings. Tap Energy Saving. Group heads can be turned on or off. First, turn on the group head. Tap Weekly Program. The top corresponds to date. The bottom corresponds to time. This is the power on time. This is the power off time. Click the circle to check it and set the on-off times for the day. Tap the power on time to set it freely. Once set, the machine will automatically power on and refill water according to the program time. Tap the power on time to set it freely. 8. Parameter Settings. Tap Parameter Settings. Tap that time. You can set the machine's time and date. After setting, click square root to save. Tap Information to view machine software details. Tap Restore Factory Settings. Check square root to restore and check times to exit. Tap Display Set. You can set the screen auto lock time and adjust the screen brightness. Tap Maintenance to view the last maintenance date and the total number of cups since the last maintenance. Tap Clean. Tap square root to have the machine automatically clean the current group head. TAP Password. Tap Password Toggle. The default factory password is 2006. You can set or change the password. Tap Language to switch between Chinese and English interfaces. 9. Warnings. Tap Warning. View any fault warnings that occurred during operation to address issues promptly. 10. Actual operation. 10.1 Using hot water. Press the hot water button to dispense hot water. 10.2 Using steam. Move the steam levers on both sides to release steam. 10.3 Product demonstration. Use the portafilter to scoop the desired amount of coffee grounds. Attach the portafilter with tamped coffee grounds to the group head. Prepare the cup. Press the cup button to dispense the coffee. Add milk to the frothing jug. Froth the milk. Complete the beverage.